The 2025 BMW M850i 8 Series is a stunning testament to BMW's legacy of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. From the first glance to the final drive, this car captivates with its blend of elegance, power, and innovation. Starting with the exterior, the design language of the M850i perfectly balances aggression and refinement. The sleek, sculpted body lines enhance its aerodynamic profile while exuding a sense of dominance on the road. The signature kidney grille has been redesigned with a more angular and futuristic look, incorporating illuminated accents that make it stand out day or night. Flanking the grille are slim laser headlights, delivering unparalleled brightness and clarity while giving the car a sharp, focused expression. The low, wide stance and long hood hint at the power that lies beneath, while the gently sloping roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, creating a coupe silhouette that's both sporty and sophisticated. At the rear, the car features sleek, three-dimensional LED tail lights and quad exhaust outlets that emphasize its performance-oriented character. The 20-inch forged alloy wheels, available in various finishes, complement the bold design while improving overall aerodynamics. Small details, like the carbon fiber elements on the mirror caps and rear spoiler, add a subtle but purposeful touch to the exterior, reinforcing its motorsport heritage. Under the hood, the 2025 M850i is powered by an enhanced 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers 530 horsepower and 553 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Steptronic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, the car accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. The power delivery is smooth yet exhilarating, with the adaptive suspension ensuring a perfect balance between comfort and dynamic handling. Whether you're cruising on the highway or carving through winding roads, the M850i feels composed and confident, offering precise steering feedback and excellent road grip. The Active M differential further enhances cornering performance, distributing torque efficiently for maximum traction. The newly tuned exhaust system provides an intoxicating soundtrack, with deep growls and crackles that add to the visceral driving experience. Inside, the M850i's cabin is a sanctuary of luxury and advanced technology. Premium materials, including soft leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and optional carbon fiber trims, create an ambience of sophistication. The multi-contour seats are exceptionally comfortable, offering heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The attention to detail is evident in every corner, from the crystal gear shifter to the customizable ambient lighting that sets the perfect mood for any drive. The centerpiece of the interior is BMW's latest xDrive 9 infotainment system, displayed on a curved dual-screen setup that seamlessly integrates a 14.9-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch touchscreen. The interface is intuitive and responsive, with features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and 5G connectivity ensuring you stay connected effortlessly. The advanced voice assistant allows you to control numerous functions with simple commands, while the 16-speaker Harman Kardon audio system immerses you in rich sound quality. Safety and convenience are paramount, with features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera providing peace of mind.